Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let's prepare a delicious and healthy South Indian favorite drumstick sambar recipe. Take a 2 drumstick, cutting to the small pieces, put the water, take a 1 cooker, add it washed tur dal half cup, add a 8 to 10 garlic cloves, add a pinch of turmeric powder, add 1.5 cup of water, add 1 tablespoon of oil, close the lid, take a 1 lemon sized tamarind, put the water, cooker whistle will be 4 whistle you take, smash to dal well, keep aside, take a 1 pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil, one tablespoon of chana dal, 1 tablespoon of urad dal, one tablespoon of black pepper, half tablespoon of fenugreek, fry in a low flame 30 seconds, 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, add a 4 dry chillies, half tablespoon of cumin seeds, one tablespoon of grated coconut, fry in a low flame, add a 1 tablespoon of poppy seeds, fry in a low flame, putting to the mixie jar, grind it well, take another pan, add a 1 tablespoon of oil, add a 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds, half tablespoon of cumin seeds, add a pinch of asafoetida, add a 2 dry chilies, add curry leaves, add a 1 chopped onion, fry it well in a medium flame, onion will be golden brown. Add a pinch of asafoetida. Add drumstick pieces. Fry it well in a medium flame, 3 to 4 minutes. Add a water in 2 cups. Mix it well. Boil a drumstick pieces 8 minutes in a medium flame. Cook the drumstick pieces nice well. Add a tamarind juice. Add 1 chopped tomato. Add a 1 tablespoon of chilli powder. Pinch of turmeric powder. Boil till 3 minutes in a medium flame. Add a curry leaves. Add a 1 tablespoon of jaggery. Add grinded masala. Mix it well, all ingredients. All ingredients will be boiled in a medium flame. Add boiled tur dal. Add a salt as per your taste. Add a half liter of water, consistency of your sambar. Mix it well. Cook the sambar in a 15 minutes, medium flame. Final added coriander leaves. Ready to serve. your delicious drumstick sambar.